Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. And after the FOMC, the market has been like seriously selling. And I understand that. I understand that because I think the market is actually digesting whatever that happened, especially when they increased the rates. We understand that they did reduce the from 75 basis points to 50, but it's still the increase. It is still the increase. So yeah, before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yes, you know what, yesterday we said we had a special 123, and you know what, I think it's fine. And yeah, that was just one day special. So we're going to continue with this one that I'm going to show you here on the screen. So yeah, let's just go straight to our analysis and see what will happen. But it's Friday. I'm not expecting much actually from the market today. And yeah, there is two robots coming actually. Prime, which is aggressive. Actually, I'm just going to name that Prime Aggressive. And the other one, which is an update from the one that we currently have. So yeah, good things are coming. If you already purchased that, obviously you're going to get that for free. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's check what's really happening. You know what, I'm just going to add some currency pairs going forward. Now I see it's GBPJPY GJ. So what's really happening on the market here? I think it's quite straightforward. I think you can easily see that, you know what, we are actually on this uptrend. The market is going up, even though the market will not move exactly as this, but we understand that the market is actually going up. The market will go down, push up, go, but at the end of the day, the market is pushing up. That's why we call that what? An uptrend. I hope you're learning something. So after you identify that there is an area, obviously this was the news when the market actually gave us some crazy sell-off. So that is actually because of economic news. But the market actually reached an area where we can just call it a support. You can see this area. But is this still this area valid? Can we connect this? I'm not going to say this is valid. No. That was actually the news. I don't think the market will come back around that area. If that happens, yes, we're gonna say if maybe the market breaks this area. If the market breaks this support area, we're gonna look for that area and say maybe the market will come around that area. But for now, we have to continue with what? With our uptrend, because the market is uptrending. So I can see the market is trying to give us some smaller sell-offs there. So I think it's better for me to say let's use 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame actually helps us to see things better, but still it's also a very big time frame actually. So for your entries and stuff, you better use a very smaller time frame, maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes or whatever, as long as it's a small time frame. So now we also have actually a trend. You can see where the market was touching the trend. So which means around this area, we will be expecting the market to touch and push the upside. On top here, we also have a resistance. It's fine, but that will be broken very soon, or maybe the market will be going down. If the market goes down, we also have a support area that we expect the market to push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Whoa. Dollar is getting stronger and stronger. This is what I was talking about. So now we are on GBP USD. GBP USD. So what's really happening here? I think I already drawn the support line here. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. What do we call that? We call that an uptrend, which means we actually going to look for the buy positions. And when we look for buy positions, we actually look or check where the market is respecting. Somehow, yes, the market will still give us these sell positions, this sell, but at the end of the day, the market is doing what? The market is going down. Sorry about that. So now what's really happening is we can easily see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is pushing to the upside. Our job is to identify the structures that will help us to do what? To keep buying. To keep buying, you see. So we have to check that. But you know what? This is just a quick analysis. I'm not going to go through that every day, as I always do this every day. You know where we check, we know stuff like that. So now the market is going actually very, very closer to what? To our support. So the market is actually going towards our support area. Do you see that? So it seems like the market is going to break that. And if it breaks that, now our last hope will be this area as a support, diagonal support. This one is just a counter support, actually, yes. So we will expect the market to reach this area, then push up. Or there is a chance for the market to do what? To go to the lowest side. There is a chance for the market to keep pushing lower and lower. That is possible because it seems like now the dollar is very stronger. You can see we had some sell, and even here the market is going for another stronger sell. So, and we missed actually these sells because we thought maybe the market was about to push the upside. But I'm still looking forward for a nice buy position around this area. The market might respect that, or maybe the market might reach this support area and push the upside, unless if the market was going to break that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. If you don't see that, okay, I think I went back. I need to go up. Yep. Now we are on Euro USD, so I need to be very quick because now we will be doing so much stuff. So what's really happening is quite straightforward. You can see that we have some very nice bullish move. Actually, the reasonable trend line is this one. That is the reasonable one there. That is the reasonable uptrend. This one here, it's very, very, very steep. Very, very, very steep. I don't think the market will keep up with this. So at the end of the day, the market might still sell and reach this area before pushing up again. Do you see that? Yes, the market might be following the support and resistance, but one way or another, the market won't keep up with that. So are we expecting some nice sell-offs after that? So yes, we can take those hit and run sells, but we still understand that actually the market is what? On an uptrend. Those sells that might be similar to this, we're still going to receive some sell positions, but that doesn't mean that the trend changed. I hope you understand that, right? So now, yeah, I see the market is actually playing around the resistance or support line there. You can see the market actually, this was a resistance. The market broke out. The market started to consolidate, but we are still around the same level actually. So there is a chance for the market to push the upside, or maybe the market to break that and start to push to the lowest side. Do you see that? I hope you see that. Whoa. Now we are on USD JPY. So what's really happening on USD JPY? You can easily see that the market is actually going down. I think whatever that I'm trying to explain here, I did actually talk about it. Like for the whole week, the market was playing around the same zones. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower. As we can see that actually the market just reached our resistance, and it seems like the market has been respecting this area. Plus, we are on a downtrend, so we're expecting the market to push lower, and it seems like the market already touched our sell pending order. If we go closer there, you can see that we have actually a sell pending order. So if you want these signals, I already showed you guys. I already showed you something. So yeah, you can see that, yeah, the market is actually doing what? The market actually touched our pending order. So I'm expecting the market to keep pushing lower and lower. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So yeah, let's push to the next one. The next one is actually gold. It's actually gold, precious metals. So what's really happening? We have a very struggling uptrend here. After we had that breakout, the market started to do what? The market started to push the upside, but it seems like the dollar sometimes gets stronger and stronger. But what we have, we don't really have to forget these areas because they are important. I also marked that area because sometimes we focus on diagonal only, and sometimes when we see the breakout, we just jump on a sell to find out that actually the market will respect the previous areas. This is not a way old area. It's very new, so there is a chance for the market to touch this and push the upside again. So we have to think about that. But if maybe we really want to sell this, we can wait for the market to break that area before we can say we can sell. But for now, I think the market is just playing around this support. I'm expecting the market to push up, or maybe we will see if maybe the market will break that. If it breaks, it's fine. If it doesn't break, it means we will be looking for another push. So it means we can adjust this trends and say, okay, maybe they're going to move like this and stuff like that if it's broken, because especially when the market is moving like this, we know very well that the market will be adjusting. The market will adjust slowly until the market gives us a proper structure. Every day the market creates another candlestick, so those candlesticks, one way or another, they're going to connect with the previous move. Now you see we have, and this is 4 hours by the way, now we have another structure which I think maybe the market might move like that. So there is a chance for the market to keep pushing like that, or maybe the market can break that and we can say now it's time to do what? To sell. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. I don't really want to make this video very long. Okay. US oil. What's really happening on US oil? You can easily see that actually, I was talking about this type of a structure yesterday, where I said, yes, we are actually on a downtrend, but it seems like the market already created something there. And it seems like the market indeed actually created something. Now the market is selling in a very nice profit. You can see that. You can easily see that actually the market is doing what? The market is actually respecting the structure, which means the market is now respecting this downtrend, and already the market was actually on a downtrend, but this is another downtrend inside another downtrend. So that is actually a counter structure. We can remove this one now and say, okay, we can easily see that the market was respecting our diagonal structure. So we have something like that where the market is moving lower like that. So you can see the entry there. Maybe our take profit is somewhere there around 70. So yeah, that's not actually bad. So that downtrend now, the market is, you can see the market is moving. I showed you that yesterday, by the way. US30. What's really happening on the market? US30, Dow Jones. What's really happening here is, yeah, I think it's quite straightforward. I see that the market is actually going down. We are on a downtrend. So, but we had a very nice breakout there, but it seems like the market is going back again on that downtrend. Do you see that? If we go closer there, you can see that we had a very nice structure. Yes, the market was playing games around that, but you can easily see that, you know what, the market was just consolidating. I told you that when the market is consolidating like that, it's actually showing us that I'm thinking about taking another direction. So whether I can break this and push the upside, or maybe I can break and go to the lower side. That is something that we should think about, right? So, and indeed that happened. We saw the market breaking out. We have a sell pending order. We expecting the market to do what? To push the lower side. We expecting the market to push to the lower side. Do you see that? Anyways, let's see. So I'm expecting the market to push the lower side. We have a pending order there. So I think everything's quite straightforward. And I think maybe the market might keep pushing lower and lower. That is also possible. The market can keep pushing lower and lower. So let's go to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. My favorite one, actually. this punched me day before yesterday. So what's really happening is now the market is now trying to push the the market is being on this downtrend. We can see that the market was struggling to break this resistance area here, and it shows us that, you know what, the market will still actually push lower and lower. Do you see that? The market is actually seriously trying to push lower and lower. So let's see if we go closer there. We can see that we have a nice structure. We have a very, very nice structure. Down here, we have an area where we can just call it a support, where I think the market can reach, by the way. I think the market can actually reach up to 10,000, maybe before we see another push. But we have so many holidays this time, so now I think it's better for the robot to take over. We have so many holidays, we have some crazy moves and stuff like that. So I'm expecting maybe some rough road here. The market will go up and down and stuff like that. So, but I'm expecting a very nice sell. So yeah, for now, I think maybe for today we're done. Later on, if we're not going to have that load shedding, we will be going live actually on Trader Nick's channel. Maybe you'll see that. You'll see that, as we always do actually on Fridays. But last week we were unable to continue or to go live as I had the load shedding on my side. So yeah, the special is here. You can see that is the special that we have. The other one that I've showed you yesterday, I just wanted to see if people they're serious, and I saw that no one actually cares about that. So but it's fine. So now we continue with our normal price that it's there. So there's no any other special that we're going to offer. We just try our best just to meet other people. But if maybe you're still not ready, time is not on your side. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye. See you on Sunday actually, or tomorrow. I'll do the weekly analysis tomorrow. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.